Flat washes are required to paint backgrounds or skies. Let's look at the main reasons why flat washes can go wrong. One of the most common reasons is you choose a smaller size of brush compared to the area to be painted. As you can see here, the background which needs to be painted is large in size, while I have chosen a round brush which is very small in size. Hence, I need to go back to the palette for more paint. Meanwhile, the paper dries, resulting in dry and harsh brush strokes. The second most common mistake is not preparing enough color on the palette. Here, as seen, when the color on my palette starts to run out, I make another batch, which may not be the exact shade of the previous one, which causes inconsistency. As you can see, my new batch of color is lighter than the earlier one. So to fix it, I need to repaint on the earlier patch to even it out. Also, while preparing the second batch, the previous paint may dry out, and then it becomes difficult to blend in the strokes, resulting in harsh areas. Here again my paint has run out. Now I need to make a third batch of paint, which is darker, as you can see. See how inconsistent and patchy the wash looks. Come back to see the flat wash technique in the next video.